Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a virtual Visa card directly from the GCB Mobile App. This virtual card allows you to make secure online payments for services like Netflix, Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon, Snapchat, and many other websites that accept Visa cards. Let's get started. First, open the GCB Mobile App and log into your account using your PIN or fingerprint. Once you're on the home screen, tap on Cards. Next, select GCB Virtual Cards. Then you request for a new virtual card. Choose the account you want to fund the virtual card from. Then check the box below. Review the information carefully to make sure everything is correct. Enter your 4-digit PIN for authorization. Now, tap Confirm to submit your request. Within a few moments, your new GCB Virtual Visa Card will be created successfully. To view your card details, simply tap View on the virtual card. From there, you can access your card number, expiry date, and CVV whenever you need them for secure online payments. And that's it. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more helpful tutorials.